Hello, teacher.
Hello, Laura. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you, Laura?
I'm good.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so yeah, let's begin our class tonight because we ran out of time because I had to restart my computer. Okay, let's begin now.
Oh.
All right, Laura, read the title of our lesson, please.
Those who live here.
Okay, guess who live here? All right, so Laura, let's have vocabulary first. What is on the first picture?
A CD.
Okay, a CD. Next one.
A lamp.
The next one.
Cell.
Shell, and then
Spider.
okay. So what do you do with a CD, Laura? What can you do with a CD?
I can uh
Hmm?
in the CD it has a music.
Okay, it has a music. Very good. And then
And you can um
what else?
hmm, you can listen you can listen music in CD.
Hmm? Yes, that your answer is correct. You can listen to music and sometimes you can watch movies on CD, right? Because before when there's no internet, we used to buy CD so that we can watch movies, right?
Yes.
Okay, so next one, Laura, your answer is correct. This is a lamp. So, what is a lamp?
A lamp is a light
Okay, that is a kind of light. Now, where can you usually see a lamp?
in the bedroom.
Yes, in a bedroom. Because when you want to sleep or you are sleepy, you have to turn off your light and open your lamp. Okay, so that the dark will be lessened. Okay, next one. This is a snail. So where can you usually see a snail, Laura?
Um, in the garden.
In the garden, yes. So are you afraid of snail?
No.
No? Wow, you're so brave. You're not afraid of snails. How about spiders? Are you scared of spiders?
Yes.
Even the little spider, you're scared?
Yes.
Oh, really? But where do you usually see spider?
In the house.
Yes, you can see that inside the house. Mostly in the walls, right?
Yes.
And sometimes in the plants too. You can also find a spider. Okay, now, Laura, let's answer this one. Look and read. Write yes or no. So you don't have to write, okay? Just tell me your answer. How many bats are in the picture?
Um, um, 7 bats.
Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, very good. There are 7 bats in the picture. Next one, Laura. Are there any people inside the room?
No.
Okay, no. Do you think people live in this house?
No.
Why? Why don't you think?
Because in the house has many spiders and the bats. It's an old house.
Yes, very good. There are a lot of spiders and bats too. So maybe this is an old house. Is it in the center of a city or in the country? A country means countryside, or it's like a province.
A country.
Yes, I think also that this is in the country. Okay, now, Laura, let's answer the questions by yes or no. So number 1 is an example. The biggest bat in the picture is flying below the fan. Answer is yes. Okay, so number 2, Laura. There's a green bat at the bottom of the stairs and it's sleeping.
No.
Okay, no. Number 3, 2 bats are outside the house.
No.
No. You can see a bat in front of the window.
Yes.
Okay, next. The smallest bat in the picture is on top of the phone.
No.
In this picture, we can only see one spider.
No.
Are you sure?
What?
Yes is the answer. There's only one spider. Our next one. The bat, which is above the whole table, is brown.
No.
No. Most of the bats are inside the house.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So you got 7 questions and 1 mistake. So it means you have 6 points. All right, very good. Okay, now. All right, now let's have the word, or let's have grammar. It's prepositions: after, before, and between. Opposite, from, and round. Okay, so wait, let's begin again. So after. Okay, now let's make a sentence using after. Okay, teacher will give example first. I like eating snacks after our class. Okay, so that is the example of after. I like eating snacks after our class. Okay, so how about you, Laura? Can you make sentence using after? After. You just use the word after.
In afternoon, I read a book.
In afternoon, I read books. Okay, that's correct. So next one, let's have before. Before. I like playing stuffed toys before when I was still a kid. Okay, how about you?
Mm, before.
Before. You can try making your own sentence. Don't worry. I will tell you if it's wrong.
A table is before the chair.
What? A table is before the chair? Oh, no, that's wrong. You can say a table is next to a chair. Oh, not before. One more. You try again.
Tắm trước khi ăn. Tắm
What now?
Before the dinner, I'm 30.
Before dinner, I'm
30.
dirty.
30.
Thirsty.
Yes.
Thirsty means you want to drink. Thirsty, is that it? Thirsty or dirty? What's your word?
30. 30.
Again? What's your word again? You say it so that I can understand it.
It's a wash body.
Dirty.
Yes.
Okay, so you mean before dinner you are dirty.
Yes.
Okay, that's a nice sentence, but the grammar or the structure of the sentence is wrong. Okay, you must say before, you must say, I was dirty before we have our dinner. Okay? Or you don't say, before dinner, I am dirty. Okay? That's wrong. You must start with, I am dirty before we eat our dinner. Okay? Okay, now, let's try making a sentence using the word between. You make the sentence using between.
The ball is between a chair.
Okay. The boy is between two chairs. Okay, next one. Opposite. Okay, I will give you example. Opposite means it's on the other side, okay? So example, the bank is opposite the green building.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm opposite with my teacher.
You are opposite with your teacher.
Yes.
Yes, that can be, okay. Next one, from.
I'm from Vietnam.
Very good. That's so fast. I'm from Vietnam. Next one. How about the word round?
Um, mm,
Còn cái cơn cổ này rộng lưng này.
Round. What? Do you know?
I run around in the ground.
I run around
In the ground.
the ground. Oh, but you use the word around, not round. That
Oh.
those two words mean different things. Okay, maybe you can use.
The
Maybe
ball
you
is
can.
round.
The ball is round.
Yes.
Oh, that's much better. The ball is round. Okay, next one. At the back of. All right, so Laura, can you make a sentence using the word at the back of?
Đọc đằng sau lưng của không.
The back of.
Example, the restaurant is located at the back of the market.
Cái đọc ở đằng sau lưng của tớ. Nhưng mà cái vườn ở đằng sau ngôi nhà.
The garden at the back of the house.
Again.
A garden at the back of the house. My house.
The garden at the back of your house.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. In front of.
Ở front of là đằng trước. Ngồi đằng trước cái máy tính chẳng hạn.
Monkey.
My dad is.
Hello.
Wait a minute. Did you receive my message?
What?
Oh, that was my class. Oh, what happened? Oh, where is it? Okay, again, in front of.
My dad in front of the computer.
Okay, my dad is in front of the computer. Okay, next one, at the end.
I'm read a story at the end.
What? I read the story at the end? Oh, you change it. That's not correct.
Ngồi xích từ đằng trước.
Example, you can see a park at the end of the street.
Um, hmm.
Cái điều cuối cùng.
Use those words at the end.
And
Ví dụ con đứng ở cuối cùng của lớp thì
You don't know?
no.
Okay, so that was my example. Okay, you can see a park at the end of the street. Okay, next one, at the top of or on top of. You choose. At the top of or on top of.
I'm at the top of mountain.
Okay, I'm at the top of the mountain. That's correct. Next one, at the bottom of.
hoặc chuẩn ở dưới. Chắc lẽ nó nằm dưới cùng cái cây.
At the bottom of. Okay, example. Okay, what's your sentence?
Có lẽ là
The roots at the bottom of the plant.
The root is at the bottom of the plant. Okay, very good. Next one, at home.
I have one party at home.
I have a party at
Home.
Okay, I have a party at home is also correct. Okay, now let's see. Listen and draw lines between the names and the bats. So which bat do you think is Quick, Cloud, Dream, Teeth, and Sandwich? Okay, now look at Sandwich. It's at the back of the room in front of the window. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see Teeth? This bat is sitting on the hall table. It's watching the big bat fly. So there is Teeth. Next one. Oh dear, Dream is sleeping again. It's on the floor at the bottom of the stairs. So this one is Dream. Next one, look at Cloud above the phone. Its pink body and face are so beautiful. All right, next one. Quick is coming into the house. It's flying very quickly, like it always does. Can you see it in the open door? Okay. So now, read and then write the names of the people who live in each flat. Okay, So wait for me, Laura, okay? Teacher will just go to the restroom, okay? Wait for me.
Thôi để mang cái chổi cho nó nữa.
Xin lấy bài học không?
Chị, hôm nay cô dạy.
Ai dạy?
Hôm nay cô phát dạy tại vì cô tiên bỏ. Chiều tới giờ ra về người về hết cô Trang nước tối. Cô Trang in bài.
Con mới học xong rồi hả?
Chưa,
Giờ cô à?
chờ cô. Chưa mà mày có 4 phút à?
Đây nằm đây nằm mắt đây.
Nhiều quá, tại nó thiếu mất rồi. Chọn nhiều quá, mỗi lần bên nhỏ hai dọc là một dọc thôi.
Hay là vậy nó trôi đi, nó trôi đi khuẩn đấy. Rồi đây được gì nhờ cho bà. Ôi sao rồi sao? Đây 5 phút. Nằm đây cho bác cái gì? Đây nhỏ cho bà.
Chú C. Chú C. Ơi lại chỗ gì không mày? Chú C. Lại đây.
Hello, Laura.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry, teacher. It took me several minutes in the restroom because my stomach is aching.
Okay.
All right, so now, Laura, do more people in your country live in house or flat?
No.
Oh, where? Where do people in Vietnam usually live? In house or in flat?
Oh, in a house.
In a house, okay. So in the picture, Laura, this house is in the center of a city called Tall Town. Okay, so it means that is a building where it has 6 flats inside the house, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now Laura, read about the people who live in these flats. Okay, now Laura, can you read the story here?
Miss and Miss White live at the bottom of the stand. Below Mary Pink, the White family, the Black cook a lot. They often invite friends to their flats and they have dinner party. Anna and Bill Brown love reading quiet in the living room. They don't like living about Miss Green because she plays very loud music when she comes home after work.
Mhm.
Miss Willis opposite her friend Mary Pink. They are both learning to play the guitar and they make a lot of noise. John Gray Flash is under Miss Green's. They don't have to try to work because he works on his website at home, but he ride around the park on his bike every morning. Please. The new person in this house is Lucy Blue. She moved into the flat at the top on the stands. Two floor about Miss and Miss White apartment.
Okay, so on the first blank, this is the flat of Anna and Bill Brown. Next, Lucy Blue, Miss Green, Mary Pink, John Gray, and Mr. and Mrs. White. Okay, so now we have a question here. Which room is this? Okay, people cook in this room and they sometimes eat there. So what room is that in your house?
A kitchen.
Okay, a kitchen or okay, that's correct. So in the kitchen, that is a place where you cook, right?
Yes.
Now in most houses, if the house is big, some houses have dining room, okay? Because when you are living only in a flat or in a small house, you just have a kitchen and then that is a place where you cook and you eat too. But when your house is very big, the kitchen is separated from the dining room. Okay, how about you? Kenchi, Laura. So do you have a dining room?
Dining room.
Dining room or dining table?
Yes.
Okay, so, and then your kitchen is separated.
Yes.
Ah, okay, that's nice. So here, this is an example of a kitchen. So next one, Laura, we have a shower and a wash, then dry our bodies here. What room is this?
Dirty room.
That is a place where you can take a bath. What's that place?
A toilet.
Very good. So the answer is a toilet or a rest room. Next one. People sit at the table and have lunch or dinner in this room.
Dinner room.
Very good. Yeah. Dinner room or dining table or yeah, no, you said what did you say? Dinner room. Okay,
What?
it's correct. You say dinner room, right?
Yes.
That's also correct. Dinner room or dining room is correct. Okay, next one. People sleep in this room.
Bedroom.
Wow, very good. You're so fast. Bedroom is correct. Last one. People sit and watch TV in this room.
Living room.
Very good. A living room is correct. Okay, now let's answer this one. Play the game. Alphabet, find, and draw. Okay, let's see. Okay, now, Laura, how many letters are there in the alphabet?
6.
How many letters are there in the alphabet?
How many
Letters
letters?
are there in the alphabet?
A living room.
No, letters in the alphabet. A, B, C, D. How many letters do we have there?
C.
No. Are you sing the alphabet song?
A.
Are you count? How many?
Đi.
L.
Kỳ này. Nói với ba đúng 5 phút. 10 phút được rồi, bà bỏ xuống không bỏ luôn. Con biết con chơi vào cái trò chơi này cũng dễ bị ghê người ta nhiều.
Không có.
You can count or you can sing so that you can count the letters.
It's many.
Oh, you don't know how many letters are there in the alphabet? It's 26. We got 26 letters in the English alphabet. All right, so now Laura, look at the picture and tell me some things that starts with letter C.
C. Computer room. No.
Things only, not room. Things only.
Computer.
Okay, computer. Next.
A chair.
Chair. Okay.
A lamp. Oh, what? No.
That's not letter C.
Finish.
Computer only?
A computer. Chair. Letter C. A CD.
Okay, CD. What else? Computer. CD. Chair. What else?
Finish.
That's all? Okay, but I can see... I think... Okay, can you see this, the speaker? Look at in the second floor, the room in the left side. So a speaker, we can call it also component. So it starts also with letter C.
C. Component.
Okay, so that's a chair, CD,
computer.
Okay, next one. Give me some things that starts with letter B.
B. Book.
Okay, book.
Bike.
What else? Bike.
Bed.
Bed. What else? Bike, bed, book.
Finish.
Okay, let's see. Okay, bed, bike. Oh, there's 2 only, but books. Okay. Okay,
Oh.
there's 3. Yeah, you're correct. Book, bed, and bike. Okay, very good. So you got 6 points in this part. Well, anyway, Laura, okay, let's continue again on Wednesday. Let's continue our activity on Wednesday, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good night, Laura. See you again.
Good night, teacher. See you again.